how to make money on Freelancer as a 3D modeler. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if you are a 3D modeler and you come to this platform, if you are a business owner or an individual looking for a 3D modeler, you come to this platform, you go to the hire freelancers by skill, and you choose here 3D modelers. So for example, here you have hire 3D modelers, and then you will be able to check all these 3D modelers with their profiles. As you can see in here, you have hire 3D modelers, you have this one, another one. So here you'll be able to see all of their profiles and their skills as well. See more 3D modelers. So by creating your profile, you'll be able to showcase your skills just like these people, and you can be hired by the business owners or the individuals that come to the platform searching for 3D modelers or any other freelance skill you'll have. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile to join those people. So here click on earn money freelancing, and then you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to log in. And then you'll proceed to your dashboard. And this is your dashboard, as you can see. And here you can verify your email address, or you can update your profile. So here you can edit your profile. You can change everything about it. But first you will need to verify your email. As you can see, please click on the link in the verification email we sent to your email to activate your account and continue posting your project. And here you can change your top skills, you can change your professional headline summary, and you can also change your profile. And here you have new reviews to see. You can add your experience in here, add experience. You can add the title of the experience, the company that you worked in, when did you start, when did you end, if you are currently working there, the summary. Also you can add education, qualifications, publications. So you can make a lot of adjustments to your profile to be more hireable for the business owners that see you or the clients that visit your profile. Remove this announce. And also here you don't have any certifications yet. You can get certified as well by going to the skills lab, win more work with exams, prove your skills, pass our exams, win more work. So you can find an exam in here. And also you can take the language exams, as you can see. So you can take a lot of exams. You can test your skills in 40 multiple choice questions, 5-minute test time, 75% mark is needed to pass. Another test. And here you can test your basic numeracy also. So you can take all of those exams, another exams about website, IT and software, mobile phones and computing, writing and content, academic writing, blogging, another one for design and media architecture. So in this platform you can learn and you can also prove your skills and you can make money as well. So I'm going to show you how you can find projects to work on in the platform. This just wait for it to load to show you how you can apply for projects to make money. So here click on the browse, click on projects, and you'll be able to explore a lot of projects. So here is just wait for it, and you can search by latest or oldest or lowest price, highest price, fewest bids, most bids. So this one is looking for a SEO content writer with a decent experience in terminology of SEO concepts, and 18 people has sent bids to this person, but in just 2 minutes ago, as you can, he just posted this 2 minutes ago, and already 18 individuals or 18 freelancers have already contacted the person, but it seems like he didn't find the one he wants, and the price is $16, as you can see. Another one, resume upgrade and LinkedIn enhancement, and it's for $88, 45 bids, and in just 23 minutes. Plagiarism detection for $21 per hour, as you can see. Another one, Facebook Manager for $79. I need to get my resume done, $13. Logistic company PowerPoint presentation, $29, as you can see 1 hour ago. So you can check this one's project, and we can submit our application as well. So here I am seeking a skilled and detail-oriented freelancer to create a professional PowerPoint presentation for a logistics company. The freelancer will be provided with a template. So here you can check the template. By clicking on it, you can see this template of the project owner. So let's check his template. You can follow the link. So this is the template he's going to provide you with to make the presentation. So this is how the template looks like. As you can see, this is the template he's going to provide you with. And this is what the key responsibilities. Template utilization: use the provided PowerPoint template as the foundation for the presentation. Ensure that the layout and design elements align with the company's branding guidelines. Content creation: so here you can send him an example of your work to see if he's going to accept what you sent. So before you send, you will need to verify your email. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.